Stop by and take a look at the 2013 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, remote vehicle start, daytime running lamps, traction control, steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, climate control, leather seats, console. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.